Most animals are dangerous because they're strong, or fast, or venomous. Dolphins chose a different path. They became smart, and that's where things started getting weird. Meet the dolphin, nature's straight A student with multiple HR complaints. When most people think of dolphins, they imagine smiling faces, friendly ocean acrobats, the unofficial mascots of good vibes, basically sea puppies. But the deeper scientists looked into dolphins, the stranger the police report became. Because dolphins aren't just intelligent, they're suspiciously intelligent. They recognize themselves in mirrors. They have unique signature whistles that function like names. They teach each other skills, pass knowledge between generations, and solve problems that leave many animals completely confused, which sounds wonderful, until you remember something important. Intelligence doesn't automatically create kindness, it just creates options. And dolphins have been using those options creatively. Scientists have watched dolphins hunt, and what they discovered looked less like wildlife and more like a military operation. A single dolphin is impressive. A group of dolphins is a tactical unit. They don't just chase fish, they coordinate, communicate, assign roles, and execute plans. Some dolphins work together to herd entire schools of fish into tight balls. Others take turns attacking, cutting off escape routes, forcing the fish exactly where they want them. It's less animal hunting, more underwater hostage negotiation. And then there are the dolphins that hunt with mud. Yes, mud. In shallow water, dolphins have been observed swimming in circles around fish. Their tails kick up giant walls of mud. The fish panic. They leap out of the water to escape and immediately land in the mouths of waiting dolphins. Imagine being trapped so completely that your escape route becomes a trap. Nature invented tactical ambushes and gave them permanent smiles. And then there's strand feeding, a hunting strategy so ridiculous it sounds fake. Entire groups of dolphins deliberately launch themselves onto shore, onto actual land, just to catch fish. They slide out of the water, grab the fish, and somehow slide back into the ocean. Most animals spend millions of years trying not to get stranded. Dolphins looked at that rule and said, "Noted," then ignored it completely. And here's the thing. Animals aren't supposed to hunt like this. They're supposed to rely on speed, strength, teeth, instinct. Dolphins rely on planning, which is slightly concerning, because a shark is a weapon. A dolphin is a team meeting, and the weirdness doesn't stop there. They form alliances, long-term alliances, some lasting years, not for survival, for strategy. The ocean has political factions, and they're run by smiling torpedoes. Scientists have observed dolphins coordinating attacks, manipulating social groups, and forming complex social networks that look less like animal behavior and more like corporate office politics. Some dolphins even use tools. They place sea sponges over their noses while hunting along the seafloor, which means dolphins invented safety equipment. Meanwhile, humans still ignore warning labels. But perhaps the weirdest thing about dolphins is that they appear to play simply because they're bored, not hungry, not threatened, just looking for something interesting to do, which is usually the moment intelligence becomes dangerous. Because every species starts out solving problems, then eventually starts creating new ones for entertainment. And honestly, that's a very human career path. The deeper scientists study dolphins, the more it feels like somebody accidentally gave a pack of ocean predators advanced problem solving